Differences between item and scale. Item versus scale. The item stem and the response options are parts of any survey question. The item stem poses the question or presents a statement, and response options provide a way for respondents to answer the question or indicate the degree to which they agree with the statement. Whereas scales, on the other hand, measure levels of intensity at the variable level, like how much a person agrees or disagrees with a particular statement. Researchers like to use scales because the questions are easy to ask and there are many different formats. The item asks respondents to rate their mental health or other variables on a 5-point scale from excellent to poor, whereas scale is used to represent the item being measured in the spectrum of possibilities. The purpose of item is to provide all items being selected, and consistent items are sufficient to answer the research questions and whether they are needed and adequate for the research purposes. Whereas the purpose of scale is to provide the rules that associate values on the scale to the concept we are studying. A questionnaire is a list of questions or items used to gather data from respondents about their attitudes, experiences, or opinions. Whereas scale is used imprecisely and interchangeably in social research, typically, scale employ multiple observations or items of measurement. The item stem and the response options combines to make any research question, whereas scale often evaluates item intercorrelations before selecting items for inclusion. Sometimes, the distinction hinges on whether the indicators measure cause or effect. In short, an item is a basic building block of a test, and its analysis provides information about its performance. Once items have been constructed, researchers need to test the items to make sure the items are not flawed in any discernible manner. Whereas scales help put thoughts, feelings, and opinions into measurable form. Scaling is assigning objects to a number. Measurement is the process of collecting and recording the results or observations. Example of items versus scale. In this example, 6 items from A to F and 5-point Likert scale are given for idea. It will help you to make questionnaires easily. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.